Ako po si Alfonso Vivar, 18 years old, at ako po ay taga Quezon City. Ako ay third year college sa University of the Philippines, Diliman, and I'm taking up BS Tourism. I'm a sporty guy, and I know taekwondo, badminton, table tennis, chess, billiards, and actually I also know judo. Me and my family are really close. We travel together and we make sure na yung dinner namin, lagi kami magkakasama. Because yung sabi ng dad ko, a family that eats together stays together. Sumali ako sa Pinoy Boy Band Superstar kasi pangarap ko talagang maging artista. And sa tingin ko, ito yung one way para matupad ko to.